Hello guys, so today welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to make you learn the NCERT Geography textbook class 9 first chapter, which says India size and locations. So by the chapter name only we can understand that what we are going to study in this chapter. So we are going to learn about India's size and locations of India, that how big is India, what things are located in India, at which place they are located. So let's move further and without wasting our time. So first I have taken two subtopics. One is locations and another is size. So first we are going to study the location chapter, location subtopic, sorry. So first point is India lies in the northern hemisphere. So you must be knowing that in the latitudinal way, the not India, the whole earth is divided into two equal parts. One of the part is known as the northern hemisphere and another is known as southern hemisphere. So let me show you with an example. So this is our earth. If this is the center line, so this would be northern hemisphere, because this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. So that's why this would be north hemisphere and this would be southern hemisphere. So it is very easy to understand, and we have already learned this in our previous classes also. So I hope that you must be remembering it. So keep it in your mind that India lies in the northern hemisphere. Then comes the main latitudes are 8 degree 4 minutes north. So you must be thinking why I am saying it 4 minutes. So this kind of unit is like pronounced like this only, that 8 degree and then this 4 is pronounced in minute. 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degrees 6 minute north are the main latitudes. Then comes the main longitudes. The main longitudes are 68 degrees 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. So keep this in mind. This could come in 1 marker or 2 marker as a question in your exam. So then come the Tropic of Cancer. So you should know that the Tropic of Cancer passes through India. So what is the Tropic of Cancer? So Tropic of Cancer is 38 degree and 30 minutes in north. So there comes a question for you all, and you have to comment it down your answer, and whosoever will answer it correctly, I will take his name in the next part of this chapter, because this is the beginning of chapter and we will study it step by step. So there's a phrase, small steps every day. So this question states that which states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. So you have to name all the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes, and you have to comment it down correctly, whosoever will answer it correctly. So I've already told you what you will be getting. So then you should also know from where to where the longitudinal extent lies. So the longitudinal extent lies from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. So you should know which is the most northeastern state. So it is Arunachal Pradesh. This could be also a very important question. Then we were going to study about the size of our India. So area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. It is a very big name, but it is very easy to understand and learn. So you could remember it very easily. And in the next part, for sure, I'm going to ask you question in the video, and you have to remind it in your mind, and I hope that you will answer it correctly. So what are the land boundaries of our India? So let me explain you what are the land boundaries. 1 minute. Let me draw India. So our India look like this, something like this. I'm making a rough figure for you guys to understand. So understand that it is India, but it is not looking like the one, but still you can consider it as India. Imagine this is India. So I am making it with red line. So these boundaries, the length of these boundaries, which I am marking with red, the boundaries, right? It's just like the perimeter of India, if I explain you in the simple words. Like in math, you must have solved questions like find the perimeter, the length and breadth is given. That's another thing, but it is a kind of perimeter, the sum of all sides. And in the case of our India, we measure it in kilometers, the distance of the boundaries. And I hope you guys have understood it. So I hope you have understood it. And one another important question which could come is that what are the length of coastal lines? So you must be knowing that our India also has some island like Lakshadweep Island or Nicobars. So there are many. Like I have made it roughly so you can understand, but the locations are different for sure. So the boundaries, the same thing. The distance of the boundary of these coastal lines of our India is 7,516.6 kilometer. Let me write it for you over here also. It is 7,516.6 kilometer, guys. I hope you understood it. Kilometers, it is kilometers. And the land boundary of our India, the India's land boundary, it's 15,020 kilometer. So I hope you guys have understood it. I hope you guys have understood it very well. That, and let's also revise it once more. So let's take which color? Yellow. So we'll take color yellow and we are going to revise it. So the chapter name, India size and locations. Okay, we learned the locations first of all, that India lies in the northern hemisphere. I hope you will not forget it. Then we learned about the latitudes and then the longitudes. The longitudes are 68 degree and 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east, and the latitudes are 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. Then we learned the Tropic of Cancer. Then this is 23 degree and 30 minute north. Then I showed you this question, which is a very important question. You should learn it. And in your NCERT textbook, there is a map, I think on page number 6 or 7. There you can even highlight or shade it with the pencils, the states which are passing through the topic of cancer. This you have to answer me in the next video in the comments. Then we learned what is the longitudinal extent of India, which is from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Then we learned the size of our India. The India India's area is 3.28 million square kilometer. The land boundary is 15,020 kilometer. And one more thing, I hope you remember it. The coastal length boundary, the length of the coastline of our India is 7,516.6 kilometers. This is also very important. You can note it down, and I hope you were making notes. And this is all for today. And I have written one more question: which point got submerged in tsunami 2004? And guys, this also you have to answer in the comments. And one more thing I want to share with you, that the in-text questions which are given in between the text in your NCERT textbook, please forsake, answer them and solve those questions. That will help you a lot, guys. So let's meet in the next part of this chapter. Till then, subscribe, like, comment, share, and keep supporting and make us a 2K family. We are already 1.16K family, so let's increase our family and go to another milestone 2K. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Bye.